Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. Migos rapper Quavo appeared to declare the end of the rap group with his new song, Greatness. And it's on a reggae beat, tearing up the airways right now.
Yeah, man, big up to Deep Roots. Yeah, man, you want to hear the tune? Tune into Deep Roots. Up top.
Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. Migos rapper group, another United States artist that in their bad times come a Jamaica con culturally appropriate music. The Migos rapper Quavo appeared to have declared the end of the rap group in his new song and music video. It's called Greatness, which has been released Wednesday and has garnered over 1.8 million views in 2 days. This month after the death of his nephew, fellow Migos rapper Takeoff, came in sweep the game like a storm with the more flow. Take didn't that. So don't ask about group. He gone. We gone. Young and it can't come back. The 31-year-old rapper track. The song, one of a handful of Quavo, has been released since Takeoff's death, pay homage to the 28-year-old who died in a shooting outside the Houston bowling alley early November. Takeoff is credited with changing the sound of hip-hop, ladies and gentlemen. Elsewhere in greatness, Quavo rap about taking care of Takeoff mother, about refusing to look backwards and say, never forget the Migos amazing greatness. I couldn't do it without the great group in the world. Greatness. I can't do it without great nephew in the world. Greatness. He continued in the outro. Migos, the Atlantic hip-hop trio that included their cousin Offset, is best known for the song Bad and Bougie and booming track hits Handsome and Wealthy and Hannah Montana, but the trio previously disbanded due to the issue between Offset, real name Carrier Kendrell Sipfus, and Quavo, real name Quavacious Ketar Marshall, that later said was centered around loyalty. He and Takeoff, real name Krishnik Kyrie Ball, rebanded as the rap duo Unc and Few for Uncle and Nephew. Days after Takeoff's death, Quavo and Offset made a joint public appearance at the massive star-studded memorial held for the former bandmate of Atlanta State Farm Arena. Shortly thereafter, the two remained. Three Amigos broke their social media silence by posting emotional and a heartfelt message about their fellow recording artists on Instagram. This whole time I've been trying to figure out what you really are to me, because nephew wasn't it. He hated the word nephew, or when they said unc and few, cause we always knew we were closer than that, and it made me feel old too, Quavo wrote, but I knew you weren't my brother, cause you weren't my sister, and you were my sister's son, so I couldn't say brother. Now I finally get it. You are our angel, watching me and watching us this whole time, in living for making our everyone feel our love and hugs while you are and where you are, and you made our dreams come true. Earlier this month, Quavo executed a purgement visual tribute to his nephew at the 65th Grammy Award, where he held up Takeoff bejeweled chain during his Maverick City Music Patron of the Memory of performance. Quavo performed Without You as song he released 2 months after Takeoff's death, but the performance was not without drama. Offset took to Twitter to address the TMZ report about backstage altercation between him and Quavo, who reported to bar him from the Grammys performance. "What the F? Look like fighting, my brother," Offset 31 wrote on Twitter. "Y'all N is crazy." Grammy-winning report Cardi B, who is married to Offset, Grammy-winning rapper Cardi B, who is married to Offset, was tried to keep the peace in footage obtained by the site. Nardine Sad covered breaking entertainment news trending culture topic, celebrated and said that the celebrities there in Los Angeles was unbelievably sad because of the loss and because of the so-called spat between the two of the former Migos group. Ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted to point out again, when the rappers in the United States seems to need a energy or a synergy for make a one big tune, or to get away from them doom and gloom, them come a yard and take man for fraud, take for cultural vibes, and go make a better life. Remember, you know, Biggie did it. Remember, you know, the one when named Jay-Z did it. Remember, you know, all the youth Busta Rhymes did it. Fat Joe, them man ya, Khalida do it. All the woman them in on it. But again, Jamaicans love to have other friends. But me tell you, me no want no new friend. My condolences. You are gonna take off. Yeah, as him brother said, he is an angel now because him took off. Him dear heaven. I'm more life and I'm more joy. Now leave your comment and let me know what you think about the comment I made. Where all the people them from all over the world, from Germany, Russia, all over the world, England, America, Canada, when they need a cultural injection, them seem to find my born land. Babsy Grange, you need to charge them for the cultural appropriation. I'm Rastafari Soldier, you're real Jamaican. Subscribe, like, and share. You hear? Help the Rasta man build up the channel by becoming a part of the Rasta man panel. Leave your comment for me. More life, more joy, more nappiness.
Hey, Deep Roots, man. How you guys doing out there? We're having a good time, man. We're right in Fort Lauderdale Beach. We got dancing, we got partying, we got beautiful women. We're doing good things over here. Deep Roots, man. Keep it real.
Yes, I keep it real.
Fire,